Hi student, I am Asit Tiwari, SSC teacher, and today we will discuss the next topic in the practice of federalism, and our subtopic is language policy. So student, you remember the story of Sri Lanka and Belgium. What was the failure and what was the success of Belgium? What was the failure of Sri Lanka? Because Sinhala has given the importance of one language. It was the Sinhala. And Belgium has not given any importance to any language. Even they faced many of the difficulties in the beginning time in the country, but later they recognized, they identified their problems, difficulties, and they had not repeated as Sri Lanka has done over the Sinhalese language, because this language which was imposed in the country against the non-Sinhalese speaking community people, where they have faced many of the difficulties in the life everywhere. So our constitution had not done as Sri Lanka made, because our constitution had not given the single language status to Hindi language. Reason: Hindi was the mother tongue of only 41% of the people of the country. It means if Hindi is imposed, if Hindi is exercised as a national language, official language of the country, it means the steps of imposition of Hindi over non-Hindi speakers as official language could discourage these speakers, and it might create the problems of the disintegration. Even many of the people, many of the communities in the country, they also move on the strikes, many of the other type of the behavior they did against the democratic country, which is not very healthy for a federal country. So Hindi is continue with other language as a official language. As you can see well, number one, I want to tell one important things. Article 343 has adopted the Devanagari, the script of Hindi, as the script of Hindi in the constitution. And article 344, it was the articles which has made the commission in the parliament on the official language to the Hindi. And article 344(1), dynamic use of Hindi for the official purpose will be continued. And article 351, the duty of the union government to encourage the spread of Hindi. But all these steps which has not mean that they are discouraging the use of other languages, because very important things has been seen in the Indian constitution that the use of English was stopped in the country, was stopped from 1965. The use of English was stopped from that time, and this steps of the government had made some English elite, or I can say the English lover, made angry in the country, and they had started the different kind of the movement in favor of English. So the government was agreed to use of English with the other local language or Hindi, and this is continue in the future also. And many of the time it has been seen that the language which has not been survived in the country can be out from the culture. So Indian government system, Indian constitution has made the schedule 8 where the more than 23 languages has been continued. You can see well the Assamese, the Bengalis, the Gujarati, Hindi, Kashmiri, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit. These are the languages. Sanskrit is spoken in the Tamil Nadu, Shivagopuram. It is a small town in the Tamil Nadu, and where this language has been continued. Tamil Nadu, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu, they were recognized in the Indian Constitution 1950. And Sindhi language, which was recognized in 1967, Konkani, Manipuri, Nepali, this language was recognized in Indian official language 1992. And lastly, the Bodo language, Dogri language, these were spoken in some northeast part, Maithili, in some you will say Maithili regions, Santhali regions. These languages were you will say recognized in 2003. So the use of English has been continued, because it has been seen that many times the candidate who appeared in the exam, so they faced problems when the such language has not been spoken in the such state. The test, the person who has prepared his test, the same language is not spoken in that state, so the person can might the problem. So in our constitution, the different languages has been opted in the test so that the candidate could pass through the test and they might appear in the exam, and so that any kind of the trouble, any kind of the hindrance the candidate should not face in the future with his career. So student, I hope you are getting well all these type of the you will say lecture, and they are helping you to well understand. And some important things which I want to tell that about the language policy, where the central government also take some steps for the promotion of Hindi language, and these steps were very fruitful in future also, because the Indian Constitution has adopted the Hindi not as a national language, because it is not the mother tongue more than 40%, but Hindi is the language which recognizes the country India to the outer countries in the other areas in the world. So many of the program has been promoted by the government, and these programs such as the Hindi Divas has been organized on the 14th September as a Hindi Divas, so that the promotion of the Hindi should be continued. And promotion does not mean that it is disregarding the other language, it is disregarding or undermining the other language, because we have seen in the Constitution, because the Constitution has approved all type of the languages which are very very important in some part, and in such a way this is the kind of test in the federal system which made the democratic country in a very we'll say possible way, because India becomes more democratic country in such a test, because these tests not only undermining the people, these tests are not discouraging the peoples and their interest, but also they are encouraging the people, because when their languages has been awarded, when their you will say culture has been awarded in the country, it means obviously the federal structure of the country will be improved, such as in the objective of the federal system where safeguard and the you will say unity of the country should be protected and safeguard for the country, because these type of the things and people, different type of the people are living in the country, so this makes a more federal country, because India is a country of different culture. So hope all the students are getting well all these lectures, and it will help you to understand well. Okay student, thank you.